Last video we took a look at generics and what is a generic. In this video we're going to look at generics, but take it a little bit further. Instead of just putting something in the box and taking it out of the box, we want to do something with it when it is inside of the box. So I have an example over here. I put an integer value in a box. It's of type integer. And here is still a regular generic like we saw in the video before. But when we want to do something with the integer that we put in it, we can only do the default options that are available on every object class. So it's not a lot that we have to our tools here, but we can extend on that. Like if we say t extends number, then we make it more specific. So now when we put an integer in here, we have all the options available that are available on number. So number is a superclass of integer, and it's a subclass of object. And with number we have a little bit more options. And yes, with a generic like this, it's quite similar as having it written like so. Here we have a box without the generic, and we just specify the type number. But then again, we get into the problem with boxing, as we have to upcast it here from a number to an integer, and we can have problems with that. Keep that in mind. This code will be available. I will put a link down below, and in the next video we will extend on this as well. See you there.